and Summers at Summer Brook Acres, and this is Connor, who loves me, who is 12 weeks and 1 day, and he is a Paris Micah puppy, and I'm going to show you what we've been working on in obedience over the last few weeks. All right, you ready? Let's turn this way. See ya. Yeah. Down. Stay. Walking around to the back of them is pretty difficult, and we just started on that. Down. Good. Sit. Good. Yes. Sit. No, sit. Good boy. Good boy, Connor. Very good boy. Let's do a recall. Okay, down. Stay. Connor, come. Yes, my boy. Go on. Good boy. That's a good boy, Connor. And I always back up from them when I do a recall, just to encourage them to drive harder towards me. All right, let's show them your leash work. 1, 2. Yeah. All right, you ready? All right. Here, let's turn around. See ya. Yeah. Sit. That's my buddy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Sit. Let's go. Good. That's my good boy. What a good boy. Oh, good boy. Good. That's a good boy. What a good boy you are. Good. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good. Yes, my buddy. Good boy. Yes. That's a good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy. And what we've been working on the last few days is speeding up and slowing down and turning on the inside and the outside, which makes them have to regulate their speed to keep up with you. Let's see. I'm going to show you a little bit about what we do. Okay, now notice they all like to try to please me. So he's hoping that he's downing and then he's sitting, which is just showing a dog that is trying to engage their person and get them to work with him. And he loves to work, doesn't you, Connor? So I'm going to show you what we do at crate time with him. The 10-week videos we showed, we'd been working since they were really about 7.5 weeks on waiting for them to eat. We put the food down in front of them, and they have to wait for a release command, okay, before they eat. And so we've just been progressing with that, and I'll show you what a typical 12-week-old will do. Connor, come on. All right, Connor, get in. Wait. Okay. So I'm not quite to the point where I lock the door, but he never really dives in anymore. But I always want to err on the side of caution with any of them to make sure that they're always successful so that I can reward them. Okay, that's a good boy. Oh, wait. And after eating time, if you've seen some of the 10-week videos, you know that we make them stay in here. At 10 weeks, it was 30 minutes, but now that they're older,
they're actually sleeping all night in a crate and doing really well. And in the daytime, they take 3 or 4 naps a day for probably an hour to 2 hours. We put them in there when they're totally awake, and they just we give them bully sticks just to make it as pleasant as we can. At 10 weeks, we're dropping food in the top periodically, but now we've weaned that off, and so they're just in there. And all of our puppies really do really well, liking the crate until they just relax and go to sleep in there. Wait. Okay, and that's our release word for everything. To come out, to pass through doors, gates, to come out of a crate. They're just taught to wait and sit, or down. A down is okay. And wait for a release word, because we don't want them diving into food, or especially not rushing out of crates or through doors.